Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get an invisible item frame in Minecraft. Let's get started. To do this, we'll be using a command, so cheats must be enabled. If cheats aren't already on, pause the game and click open to LAN, then turn allow cheats on and press start LAN world. If you're in a creative, cheats are already enabled. Next, open the chat by pressing T and paste the command there. Once the command is pasted, press enter. And just like that, you have received an invisible item frame. In your hotbar, it will look like a normal item frame, but when you place it on a block, the frame itself is invisible. You can then right-click to place an item inside and rotate it as usual with no visible border. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.